hot chocolate. And what's that? Ooh. Disebabkan masa ni masih hari raya, hari ke-6 kalau tak silap aku pun letaklah gambar dengan baju Melayu depan kain aku, lepas tu pakai jaket, and then gambar dengan anjing aku Annie dan Vicky. Alright, so these are the goggles. I don't know when I'm gonna use this, but I think tomorrow and the last day gonna be hard, especially on the weather. So maybe I'm gonna start using this tomorrow. Whereas today I'm just gonna use the normal sunglasses, I think. Oh, that looks weird, kind of. Let's go. Day 3.